Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sathi Technology. In the last video we have created our first API, and now in this video we will talk about path parameter. So before moving to our main topic, let's return a JSON instead of this string. So for that, here we can just modify the response, and here result. Okay, now if we just open the URL, where is our URL? Here you will see the result here. Okay, now we are talking about path parameter. So path parameter means in after this our main domain, if we put forward slash and write something, for example abc, that means we are passing some parameters in this path, and that's why it is called path parameter. So we will see its use here, but at this time if I will press enter, we will get details not found. Okay, so just open your code editor, and after this forward slash if we put abc, that means if after forward slash we are getting abc, we will perform some operation using this function. Okay, so I think the server has reloaded. No, it's reloading, so wait for some seconds. And by the way, if you get some delays, you can do one thing: just open another terminal and delete previous one. Okay, and here again start your server. Now the startup is completed, and here if we reload this, we will get the same result. Okay, so this is the path parameter. The next thing is, if we put some value here, we can use that value in our APIs. Okay, so let me show you that example. So here, for example, we want to get some value from the user. For example, we want to get the code number, and for that we will put this brackets, and here code number. The same number if we want to use in our function, so we need to pass this in this functions constructor. Copy this and paste. Now we have this code number, and we can do operations based on this code number. So in our first example, we are just returning the same thing. Okay, now the server is again reloading, and now here if we are passing any number, for example 98, and enter, you will see the result 98. Okay, and if we are just putting 983, the result is 983. But one thing you might be notice here, that is we are putting integer value and it is returning string. Okay, so we can also use variable type here, and for that here using python pydantic, we will achieve our result. So here the number will be integer type. Okay, so now again just refresh the browser window, and now here you can see the 983 in the integer form. So this is the basic of path parameter. In the next video we will continue our topic and learn something else about the path parameter. So this is the enough for this video. If you like my effort, then please like the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.